Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to any program or application to right-click context menu in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey classes root. Click and expand directory. Click and expand background. Click and expand shell. Create new key named as your application example Firefox. Create new key named as command. Open default string. Right-click application, click properties. Copy target location. Paste target location. Close and exit registry editor. Right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.